Today, we're diving into the world of a small yet incredibly powerful spice, clove. This tiny flower bud, with its distinct aroma and unique properties, has a history that stretches back centuries. But what makes it so special? Let's find out. Clove, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum, comes from a tropical tree native to Indonesia. The spice is made by harvesting its dried flower buds, which are then used around the world for culinary, medicinal, and even economic purposes. There are a few ways to use clove. The most common are whole cloves, which are used in cooking for flavoring, and ground cloves, which offer quick convenience. Additionally, clove oil, extracted from the buds and leaves, has become popular for its medicinal uses. But what's behind its powerful aroma? The secret lies in its chemical composition. Clove contains eugenol, which is responsible for its distinct scent and flavor. It also has compounds like acetyl-eugenol, methyl-eugenol, and flavonoids, which contribute to both its flavor and health benefits. While small in size, clove packs a punch nutritionally. It's rich in vitamins like C and K, minerals like manganese, calcium, and iron, and is a powerful source of antioxidants, making it great for your overall health. Clove has many culinary uses, from savory dishes like curries and rice to sweet treats like cakes and desserts. It's a key ingredient in spice blends such as garam masala and Chinese five-spice. Plus, it's commonly found in holiday beverages like masala chai, adding warmth and depth to your cup. But clove isn't just a flavoring, it's been used for centuries in medicine. Its analgesic properties make it an excellent remedy for toothaches, and its antimicrobial qualities help fight off bacteria and fungi. It can also support digestive health, alleviate respiratory issues, and even reduce inflammation. Clove's essential oil is highly valued in aromatherapy, used for relaxation, pain relief, and mental clarity. It also has skincare applications due to its ability to fight acne and reduce inflammation. However, caution is needed. In high doses, clove oil can be toxic, especially for young children. It can also cause skin irritation if not diluted properly. As with any potent substance, always use clove products responsibly. Clove is not just a culinary staple, it's an important economic commodity. Major producers like Indonesia, India, and Madagascar rely on clove as an essential export, contributing to local economies. But like many agricultural products, clove farming faces challenges such as sustainability and the effects of climate change. Clove has also found its place in traditional medicine, whether in Ayurvedic practices for digestive support or Chinese medicine to treat colds. It's a go-to remedy in many cultures around the world. And finally, clove's cultural significance goes beyond its healing powers. It's a staple in holiday recipes and is often used to symbolize protection and love in certain cultures. So, whether you're adding a dash to your recipe, using it for its therapeutic benefits, or appreciating its role in global trade, clove is a spice that offers more than meets the eye. Small yet mighty, it's a perfect example of how nature provides us with the tools to enhance our lives. Next time you reach for this spice, remember it's more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a true gift from nature. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of clove. See you next time.